Hello guys! Welcome to another video of unboxing. And today, we are going to open 3 small parcels.
Yes. And we can make soup.
Later. So the first one that we're going to open is this one.
I just have sugar.
From Askalabay. Uslo. From Uslo. Ano ito, Temu? From Temu. Oh.
That is mine. That is mine.
Open it.
That is mine.
And you have already, but you have another.
Because I just bought it.
Oh. You did buy it. You just broke it.
Because-
Oy, so pretty.
No, let me have it. It's mine. Oh,
Open it,
that's
open it.
cute.
Yes.
Oh my God. It's a queen.
open it.
It's a queen.
Crown.
I love my head.
It's a lunchbox
The lies.
bag. Lunchbox bag. Open niya. Oh, di ba malaki yung laman? Malapad siya guys. Malapad. Oh, he's so sad. Are you glad?
Yes.
Mm.
Let's open it.
Next one here is also from, I don't know what is this. But let's open this one. This is from Bridge League. Tama ba yung pag-pronounce ko? Ano to siya? Online na binibilihan ko ng mga alahas ko. Kasi yung binili ko dati na ring, yung snake na ring is napakaganda. Kaya bumili ulit ako nang may makita akong mura. O ayan na. Resibo na dapat bayaran. Ito siya. Ay, ang cute talaga ng mga ano niya. Celeste yung
Wait, can I have one?
Yes, open it.
Can I have one?
No, that's mine. So, buksan natin yung una. Nalungkot siya. Bakit wala siya?
I will just have this.
Itong una ay earrings. Oh my God. Beautiful earrings. Binili ko siya kasi yung kwintas ko is, pero yung kwintas ko hindi ko binili sa kanila. Yung kwintas ko is bilog. So, kaya binili ko siya para terno. Mahilig kasi ako sa may bato-bato. So, let's try it.
I have just one.
Yes, you have one. So, you must not be sad.
I am sad.
Oh, ang cute-cute.
It's not cute.
Cute.
It's not cute. It's not
Bagay
cute.
sa
This is
akin.
my cute.
And then,
It's my cute.
and may binili din ako na isa pang earrings eh. Pero, nakalimutan ko kasi na may binili akong ganito online. Nung nandun kami sa Molda, binili ko rin yung isa pang earrings. Pero ibang style naman yan. So, ayan. Oh, ang cute-cute niya. Hindi siya tunay na goldie, pero hindi siya mabilis mag-fade. So, ayan ang ating unang Celeste.
Let me just open the other one.
Yes. Ito naman yung sunod na Celeste ay...
It's empty.
Yes, it's empty. Uy, ang cute ng mga lalagyan nila. Ay, Joran!
Oh my God, this. Can I
Ang
just
ganda.
prove it? Can I just prove it, Peter?
Ang ganda.
Can I just prove it, Peter?
Okay, prove it.
Okay.
Ah, ang cute.
No,
Lalo
nothing.
na pag maganda yung kamay ng nagsusuot.
This.
Yes.
Can I have it?
Flowers.
Can I have
When you
it?
grown up.
Okay.
Perhaps when you are 10.
Okay.
Or
I
12.
have this here.
Yes, you have this.
No, I shall show it to them.
Oo, pinagmamayabang niya. Oh, show it to them. Oh, so sweet. Oh, so, yeah. Burmia.
Jeg vil høre, da. For da
Ok.
jeg liker det fra.
Yeah. Wow! Ang cute pagka-cute yung nagsusuot.
Wait, Lama.
Ayan, may bago na akong ring. Mahilig ako sa mga mahaba na ring. Yung snake ko is pag ganun mahaba din. Ayun lang. Thank you so much. Ay, meron pa pala kaming isa pa. Ang last natin na bubuksan ay... Be careful na. Yung TV.
Wow, what is this?
Kanina nalungkot siya ba't nawala siya. Ngayon naman, mukhang puro sa kanya lahat. Diba? Show it again.
Lama, see it.
Ah!
Oh my God.
It's a...
Wait. It's so small. Wait,
For 6 years old.
wait, Lama.
It's like that.
No, can I have it for me now?
Yeah, try it now.
No.
Oh, we need to wash first.
No.
You said you will have brushes. If you will not wash first. See, it has butterfly.
Mommy, please.
You must wash it first.
Mommy, no.
They said you will have brushes. Oh, another one.
Oh, thank you.
Come in. I think that is mine.
No, you don't have Hello Kitty. It's mine.
What is that? Open it.
It's mine.
Hello Kitty na?
It's mine.
Oy!
Oh my
Oy.
god.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, as the flow is on.
Yes!
Oh my god, what is this?
Because you like to bake, right?
Yes.
So that is your apron. Oy! My god!
But what is this for?
I don't know. It's like a for hands. Yeah, like
Yes.
that.
Because we can take out.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, it's not take out.
To protect your hands.
Yes, I can make soup now.
Yeah. Okay, another one. What is this?
What is
Oh, this
this?
is the one I have ordered. For the leftovers. Yung mga tira-tirang pagkain, guys.
But this is more piggy.
Yes. Mga
Can I
tira-tirang
make
pagkain,
it?
lalagyan mo ng plastic cover. Yan. O, di ba? In-order ko yan kasi palagi ako naghahanap ng plastic pag magbabalot.
Mom, it's okay.
50 pieces siya or 30 pieces.
Mom, it's okay.
Tante mo. Yes.
It's okay. We cannot film and make soup.
Now.
I'm not film make soup.
No.
I will just make soup and not filming.
Okay.
Because I
okay.
will just make food.
Okay. So you are not going to take video later. Oh, what is
No.
this? What is this?
I don't
Open
know.
it. Ay, ito yung in-order ko na ano. Kasi di ba nakita nyo yung kamay ko nasisira siya. Sa kakahugas ko yan.
More
Guys.
than
Kaya na-order ako nitong
What is that?
gloves.
Can I also have?
Yan, para mayroon akong
Okay,
gloves.
allow my
Tapos
hair
pink siya, di ba?
Allow my hair cups.
Pag mag-ano ako, luluto, ganyan. Maglilinis, ganyan, maghuhugas. Kailangan may ganito ako kasi yung kamay ko nasisira eh. So, kailangan ko siya pag mag-ano ako. Yeah, so, yan. Mukha naman siyang maganda.
Look!
Yes, maganda.
Okay, thank you.
Tapos, ang next natin ay, last but not the least, uy, this is mine. Oh, my favorite. Kasi kinuha niya yung sa akin, guys. Kinuha niya yung aking ganito na suklay. Kulay pink yun. Ito, oh. Sabi niya, kanya daw to.
Hey, that is mine!
Yeah, kanya daw yan. Kaya sabi ko, sige, order na lang ako sa Temu. May nakita kong may ganito na letter G. So, in-order ko na siya. Ang cute. Kasi pag nasa school ako, puhon. Pag nag-school na naman.
Wait, I need brush my
O, diba?
hair.
Cute siya. Tapos mayroong
Ow!
letter G.
My hair!
Oh.
Ow!
Letter G.
My hair! Bye-bye.
Oh no. What happened?
I
So, ayun lang guys, ang ating ni-unbox. Thank you so much for watching. And subscribe to
Oh my god!
follow our next video.
This is so pretty!
Yeah!
No, can't this one now.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Make my cute and saddy, Mimi. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
No.